Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Call of Duty mobile game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join a clan. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Call of Duty mobile game on your device, and once you have logged in using your credentials or your social account, you will end up within the main menu. From here, if you wish to join a clan, then tap on the clan option at the bottom section, and this will now show you various different clans that are available to join. If you already have a clan in mind that you would like to join, then simply tap on the search box at the top and then enter the name of the clan. Then press the OK button to begin your search. And once you find your clan, you can simply tap on it and you will see the join button, which you can tap on in order to join the clan right away. Once you tap on the join button, if the clan has no restrictions, then you will become a clan member right away. Otherwise, the admin will have to accept your request. Once your request has been accepted, you will become a member of this clan right away. You can also tap on the quick join option to join whichever clan has been suggested to you. And once you have joined a clan, you will be able to participate in clan wars and various other clan events right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to join a clan on the Call of Duty mobile game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.